This LIN part set brings together 85 distinct heavy equipment keys, giving operators one compact solution for a wide range of machines on the job site. The assortment is engineered to work with many popular construction and agricultural brands, so a single pouch can cover everything from excavators to tractors and forklifts. Keys are cut from sturdy, wear-resistant metals that stand up well to daily use in harsh outdoor environments without bending or corroding easily. Color coding and clear markings on the keys, along with included key rings, make it quick to grab the right key and cut down on wasted time during shift changes or service calls. The durable storage pouch keeps all the keys together and organized, which is especially helpful for mechanics, fleet managers, and rental yards juggling many different machines. Overall, this master key collection helps improve uptime and safety by reducing key mix-ups and ensuring that the correct ignition key is always close at hand.